Hello, Aurora.
Hello.
Okay. Can you turn off your
Ah,
camera?
wait.
Okay.
Ah, oh, oh,
Nah,
wait. I don't know how.
okay, I'm waiting.
Uh, wait. I need to. Oh my God.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Ah, okay. Yeah. How are you, Aurora? How's up
Good.
today? Good. Okay. Can I start now, Aurora?
Yes.
Okay. I will set my screen. Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. Nah, today our lesson is about still about object-oriented programming, but today we will focus on classes. Uh, okay, I will skip for this part. Uh, we will try to create classes. Uh, how do we create our own project? We need to know the following. What kind of object is it? What data describes it? What can this object do? What actions does it perform? Uh, what is like this? To create your own object, you need to describe its data and action. For example, like it is a car. Uh, for the data, it has mirrors, it has doors, it has headlights, it has wheels, and then for the action, it can drive. It starts. People can sit in it. Just for example,
Okay.
nah, a class is a common name for lots of objects. Is a common name uh, for lots of objects. In programming, is a general description of how these objects should be structured. Uh, uh, in my opinion, class is something like a template to create object. In my opinion, yeah, just template. Uh, for example, like this. Uh, we can see uh, yellow car, blue car, and then like van, sedan, and then jeep, and etc. It's a class. Uh, an instance of a class like this, like a sport car. An instance of a class is an object created according to the description programmed in the class. Okay. For example, like I have uh people, people, uh people, people. Okay. We call it as class.
Okay.
And then for the object, like the people is woman and then has curly hair, uh, and then wear black t-shirt, for example, and it's Aurora, just like that. So
Okay.
you
Okay.
can see the difference between class and object. So class is something like people. If I want to create like the people is man and then wearing gray shirt. It's me, Denny. Just like that. Yeah. Okay, next. Instant class. Okay. Next. Discuss do you already know? Ah, is the data class. Let's look at creating an instance of the data class. T1, an instance of a class. Class constructor is a turtle, and then the parentheses. The class name in parentheses is the command that creates a new object of that class. And the result is a link into the object stored in a variable. Uh, and then a constructor is a method that is automatically called when an object is created. It creates an instance of the class. Let's see. It's for maybe I will go to the sample like this. Text quest. The knight and the dragon. The essence of the quest. The knight goes to the dragon's lair to find it and collect its treasures. And then, on the way to the lair, Lazarus appear. The knight can either go past them or engage in a fight with them. The knight gains experience for defeating a class count. His armor gets taller and his strike gets stronger. But you could die in the fight and not make it to the dragon. What are we going to do? First one, we will create the hero class. We will describe the class field in the constructor. We will define the methods of the class, and then we'll create instance of the hero class, the knight, Rasas, and dragon. We'll program duels between the instance of the class. Let's see for the code. The hero class. And then for the properties, like variable in native programming, but in object-oriented programming, we call it with properties. Okay. And then for class method, in object-oriented programming, we call it with methods, but in native programming, we call it with function. Still remember
Yes.
about variable and function? Function like def, yeah, def. Okay. Like hero class hero class has have properties like name and then health level, armor, strike force, and weapon. And for the methods, print info and then strike the enemy. Okay, let's see for example. Hero class. The name is Richard, and then the weapon is sword, strike force 20, and so on. When creating an instance of class, character with the specified properties must be created. How to create it? Let's say okay. We need to create hero class, and then this one is construction. Sorry, my bad. Okay, def init, yeah, and then just ignore with self, just ignore it, yeah. But
Okay.
every time you create like class, you should add at least one self, yeah. It's like what we call it, like wajib. What is wajib in English?
Apa?
Mandatory.
What? No.
Wajib ya. Apa sih? I forgot it. Ya. Intinya self itu wajib. Ya. And then for this one is you can add as you want for the name, health, armor, power, and weapon. Okay. If you want to set the property, just self name equal name, self health equal health, get health from this one, armor equal armor, get the armor from this one. power, weapon, and so on. Okay, and then print info. Print create the hero self name. We got self the name based on these lines. Okay, and then help level self help we get from this one, and continue on your own. Now, how to create an instance? We can use like maybe connect variable, and then we call the class. We use hero class here. Uh, you need to directly uh, fill the construction name, health, armor, power, weapon. Name, health, armor, power, weapon. Is it
Oke.
clear? Uh, okay. And then how to do print info for night object? Just the object dot the
Print.
method. Okay. Any question, Aurora? So
No.
far? No. Uh, if you run this code, you will get this field, this result. Okay.
Oke.
Uh, this one is just creating the object, and then this one is to call this method print info. Here the hero, it's same at level and continue on your own. Just that. Okay.
Oke.
And then you can try to create another uh another object. Let's say Helen. The head is 20, weapon bow and arrow. Just create maybe Russell, uh, like this equal hero blah blah blah. Okay.
Oke.
Uh, and then uh it's okay. All right. I will send the code for you after this. Okay. And then for strike, uh, we will add a method or maybe just like okay. We can start for this one first, and after this, we will continue to this code. Okay, I will send the code to meeting chat.
Oke.
You can do the task in
Hmm.
module 5, number 4. This one, Quest, Knight, and Dragon. Okay, you can start to share your screen, Aurora.
Oke.
I already shared
The
the code. Please check meeting
oke.
chat. Ah,
Class. So class hero.
mm-mm. For class, you need to write all lowercase using C.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nah.
That using double underscore before and after
Oh.
init.
Def init.
Mm-mm. And then parenthesis. Don't forget with the
Self.
self. Uh-uh.
Aroma. Oh.
Don't forget with the name.
Kedua. Oh ya nih. Name, armor, power,
Uh-uh. Power,
and and weapon.
weapon.
Yes.
Uh-uh.
Okay.
Don't forget with color.
Oh yeah. Terus
Uh,
self,
yeah,
self name.
yeah. Mm.
Self.
Equal. Self
Oh,
name equal
oh,
name.
name.
Mm-mm. Nah,
Self, health, self. Eh,
equal help.
what?
Self dot help equal help. Mm-mm.
Okay. Then deaf. No.
Ah,
Here. Deaf.
no, 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 no. Move forward.
Oh,
Inside the hero class. Ah,
deaf, self. Wait. What?
Def print info.
Wait. Oh yeah, print info. Eh,
Mm-mm. And then you need to add parentheses.
this is self.
Mm-mm. Okay, don't forget the colon. Okay, that's right.
And then
Mm-mm.
print.
Yeah.
Greet the hero.
Mm-mm.
What?
Mm-mm. And then just call the properties, comma, self dot name.
Um, name, comma, self name.
Uh-uh. Just using a symbol, single. Nah.
And then print.
Mm-mm. Health level. Mm. Self dot health.
Mhm.
Mm. Let's
Print.
continue to your own. Uh, Where is the comma? Where is the comma? To
Where?
consider uh wait. This here.
Oh, you have to put comma.
Yeah.
Okay. Hour of the strike.
Mm-mm.
And then
And I start to create the object.
ah, hero. Night.
Move back. Move backward.
Okay.
Uh-uh.
Night. And then you
In
put
hero class.
the
Using hero class.
mm,
Hero class.
hero.
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 Mm-hmm. Okay. Put the parameters. Name, comma, health, comma, armor, comma, power, comma, weapon. But the name is
Oh. Okay.
uh, uh,
Mm,
okay.
Richard.
Mm-mm. 50, 25, 20. After 20, uh, you forget something.
Mm,
Ay,
Weapon. Sword.
sword. Okay. Try to print the info.
Bow and arrow.
Sword. Sword. That's right.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. Try to print the info, Aurora. You just create the object and then the object will store in connect variable. You don't display the set. You
What?
don't display uh the sentence. You just store the object inside the night variable.
Oh.
Okay. So let's try to
Night.
do print info. Tonight dot print info.
Night. Dot print info.
Okay. Just put parentheses without any parameters. Okay. Try to run your code. Ah,
Oh.
can you create another one, another object?
Okay.
Ellen 25.
I'm gonna copy.
No, you don't need to copy it. Just create another one.
Oh, like okay.
Yeah.
Night. No.
No, Russell.
Hero.
Using hero object too.
Hero. Two.
Hmm. No, still hero because the class
Oh.
name hero. I mean hero too. Uh-uh.
Ellen.
Comma.
25.
Ya. Mm-mm.
5 go and
Okay.
terus rent info.
Okay, try to run your code. Let's see what happened. Okay. Any question?
No.
Not yet. I will stop your share screen. Now my turn to share my screen. I will continue to explain the materials. Nah, okay. After we create uh, the constructor and our first method, let's try to create strike method. We will create two instances of the class and program one hero to strike at the other. Yeah. Let's say Richard want to strike Helen. Yeah. Okay. We need to add another method, def strike, inside hero class. And then don't forget to put specify as a parameter the hero object that is being struck. Okay. Let's say in this one we call it with enemy. Okay. Let's say we do the strike for the knight, and then dot strike as strike. Ah, strike. Inside the parentheses we put with Rasal. Okay, and then we call this function, this method, sorry, this method. Okay, print strike. So have the name, uh, Helen. Richard, sorry, my bad. Richard.
Yes.
Have the name is attacking enemy the name. Who is enemy the name?
Rascal.Helen.
Helen. Yeah. With a strike force of uh who is it? Richard Richard Power using a Richard weapon. Yeah.
Word.
Backslash n uh is something like enter. Backslash n.
Oh.
A new line. Okay. Enemy armor, Helen armor will decrease uh using uh Richard Power and so on. If enemy that armor, for simplified, when we call the property, don't forget to put the object. We use enemy object or ourself object. Yeah. And enemy that health, enemy armor, and so on. Yeah. Okay, I will share this code for you. Right. Okay. Okay, maybe like this. Okay, now you turn to share your screen again. Just put the code inside the hero class.
But what is this done?
Just put the
Oh
code.
no, we are here.
Yeah, inside the hero class.
Okay. Wait. Hmm. Oh, masih. Death strike.
Mm-mm.
self, abis itu self tulisnya Rascal, tapi kalau enemy-nya self,
Uh-uh.
enemy,
Ya,
or
enemy.
Ras, oke, enemy, print,
Yeah. Don't forget with column.
print, strike. Richard attacks Helen with power 20 using. Oh, strike.
Mm-mm. Richard. So Richard is knight dot name. Sorry, I mean sub dot name.
Mhm.
Okay. And then
Enemy armor minus equals
uh,
self power.
just follow the code. Just follow the slide. Inside the strike method or
No,
inside strike method. Ah, Is it equal symbol?
No. I forgot to crush it.
Ah,
Okay. Okay.
mm-mm. Okay. Don't forget to create. Don't forget to create tonight dot strike Russell
Right.
after line 37.
37 here.
Mm-mm. Tonight
Right.
dot strike
Strike.
inside the parenthesis put Russell.
Put what?
Russell.
Naskah.
Uh, okay. Uh, Try to run
Udah.
your yeah. Name enemy is not defined.
Rascal is enemy. Enemy
Mm,
is
yeah. Rasa enemy. Just okay.
enemy equals
No, no, no,
Rascal.
no. No, 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 no. Enemy is not defined. 25. Enemy name. Can you make it one line with this code? Make it one line. Okay, let's see. Enemy. Are you sure you type it correctly? Because this one you have enemy.name, there is no problem. But in this line, why you have a problem? Name
Enemy.
enemy is not defined. Are you sure you type it correctly? Enemy.
Dot name. What?
Yeah.
Hmm. What? Uh,
Enemy.
enemy name. Hmm.
Can you make it all one line?
Okay.
Mm-mm. Okay.
What?
What happened is the powers have given enemy.name. Enemy armor set power, enemy armor, enemy. I don't know
Hmm.
what's wrong with your code. Try to copy this one and then paste to this one. Let's see any problem or not. Uh, Still not work. Tonight, so enemy. Oh, I see. What's the problem? You need to
Oh.
make it move forward. It should be inside.
Oh.
It's
Okay.
ah, finally. Okay. Can you try to create Helen Strike Richard?
Balloon strike Richard.
Uh-uh.
So I
Can you?
make like this again.
No, just create like this one. Wait, just create like this one.
Print.
Like uh-uh. No, no, no. Like this one.
String enemy.
No, 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 no. Rasal dot strike. inside parentheses 9. Just that.
Pascal dot. Oh, like this.
Mm-mm.
Pascal dot strike 9.
Mm-mm. 9 using K.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Any
Okay.
question, Aurora? Or still confused about object-oriented programming concept?
I don't know what's the comma for.
Which one?
Like here and then here.
Comma, comma inside the quote.
Oh, you know, no, I mean this one.
Ah, okay. It's similar with plus, but the difference between
Oh,
plus and comma, uh, if you use comma, it will auto add empty space like this. But if you use plus, it will consonate directly like this. Attacking Helen. Okay. You can change using comma. Just try it. So you will get empty space. Just change the plus with comma. Then you will get empty space like this.
mm.
If you use plus, you will get no space because directly consonate.
Okay, okay.
Uh, Again, another one?
No.
Not yet. Okay. I will add one more again, Aura. Maybe I will go directly share the code. Wait. Mm, 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 mm. This one. Okay. Try to create this code. Aura. Wait, wait. I will share the code to meeting chat. Okay, here we go. You can check your meeting chat. There is one mode method again. Just put it inside hero class.
Okay. The fight
Mm-mm.
me. Where?
After def strike method. So here,
Where?
27.
Okay.
Remember what the function of sleep?
Yes.
What?
Like to delay gitu.
Ah, okay. If you want to delay like that, don't forget to add time module, right? From
What?
time import sleep, the module, yeah, at the
Oh,
beginning of your code.
so here
Yeah, from time import sleep.
from time for sleep.
Yeah, okay.
Break. Dah.
Mm-mm. Okay. Try to run your code.
Okay.
Please check if there's error with your code. Okay, there's no error. Okay, try to call the method Aurora. Maybe like Knight fight Russell.
Oh, like this.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Is it
Night.
correct? Mm-mm.
Fight. Rascal. Alan has fallen in this difficult battle.
Okay.
Woo.
Okay, we will add to the main part of the program. Okay, for the last one, please add this code. Okay, here we go. Okay, please check your meeting chat.
Okay. Mm, where?
Uh,
Here.
wait, what could I say? Wait. If night dot help greater than zero. Mm, okay, maybe you can put your code after print in, wait. 52.
Other where?
53, I mean.
Okay.
After you print info of Russell. Why the sentence is black, Aurora?
Wait, what?
Not red.
Which one? Oh, because itu. Because
Because you forgot to put quote after and here, right?
yes.
Okay. After and, don't forget.
Mhm. Mm, Now,
Mm-mm. The strike force is
mm,
okay. Then please move this code. Uh,
yes.
just cut the and then paste after rascal.print info. Here, 51.
Wait. Mm, Okay. Here.
Okay. Try to run your code and then let's check if there's an error. Okay. Too much move forward, Aura. Please make it move backward.
Which one?
56. Okay.
Here.
Yeah, make it move backward.
Ini juga.
Yeah. Mm-mm. Yeah. 59. Okay.
Oh, or this.
STR. No, 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 no. It's true, it's true.
Okay. Oh,
That name, connect the power. Can you make it one line for the print?
which one?
60. Make it one line with 59.
One line between. One.
One line. Yeah.
Ah, I think it's
Print
because of the
STR. Plus
string.
uh, STR. Wait, wait, wait. Line. Ah, this one.
Where?
Okay, maybe we can check it next week, alright? Because after the class, I still have another class.
Okay.
Can I stop the class for now?
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Okay, sorry for today. But I think so far, I think you understand about this concept. In my opinion, for the summary, uh, object is something like template to create. Sorry, class is a template to create object. Just
Okay.
that, Aurora. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Aurora, for today. We
Thank
will meet
you.
again next week. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. See you next week, and bye, bye, Aurora.
Bye.
Thank you.